Hey, if you're brand new to guitar and you're tuning your guitar and you have one of these clip-on tuners, one question that might come up is where exactly do you put it? So I just tested it and I put it on the top of the neck and I put it on the bottom of the neck. I put it dead center of the neck. I put it over here. I put it down there. I put it in between the tuning instruments or the tune keys, and the result was the same. So it measures vibration, so really it didn't matter at all where I put it. And I tested it by putting another tuner on my lap, on my knee here, while also using that tuner, and they both tuned the exact same. So just as long as it's clipped on well, you should be good to go. The other thing I tested was something called intonation. What that means is this is the 12th fret. And when you know the open strings, you should be able to press on each string and get the same note. Let me show you what that looks like. So if I hit the open E, looks like it's tuned right on E. If I then go to the 12th fret and try that note, it's a little bit sharp. If you can, I don't know if you can see, but the gauge goes from green over to red. So I'm going to loosen my tuning instrument just a touch. There's a little number here too that talks about cents. I'm not going to get into that. I don't even know what it means well enough to explain it, but I know that it moves. Maybe somebody else on the channel can explain that to us. But I'm going to I'm at -2 cents, -3. Then when I go to my 12th fret and pick that note, it also lands on an E. This one should be A, and it is slightly sharp, but not much. D, good. G, good. B, and lastly E. Hey, did you just get a guitar but you're not sure where to begin? I have a course open. It's called 7 Days of Calm. It starts beginner level friendly. How to tune the guitar, how to hold it, basic vocabulary, and a couple of chords to get you off into the races. If you're like me and you don't really want to go anywhere to take lessons, then this is your answer. It is 3 modules. It says 7 Days of Calm. You can get done with it faster than that if you are a go-getter. You can reach me anytime through the course, and if you're not sure where to start, then this would be it. All right, hopefully you check it out. The link's in the description. My name is Jake Paul, and I have this channel, Tune Into Wellness. It's where we can use guitar and breath work to reduce stress and anxiety, and we get to learn music in the process. How cool is that? All right, thanks for stopping by.